This video is about using the distributive property to simplify an expression and combine like terms to simplify an expression. So first we're going to use the distributive property to simplify the expression. So in number one, we are multiplying both terms by -4. So we get -4x plus 8. In number two, we are distributing a 2, even though it's behind the parenthesis, to both terms. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times -6 is -12. In number three, there's that negative sign, which is a -1. So we're going to distribute -1, which is just going to change our signs. So now we have 7g minus 6. In number four, we have 8 touching the parentheses. So we're going to distribute an 8, -16x plus 32. In number five, we need to distribute a fraction, 3/2. Now, because there's nothing in front of the x, it's a 1. So that fraction is just going to stay the same as 3/2x. The other one we're going to need our calculator for, so we have parenthesis 3 divided by 2, close parenthesis, times -10, which gets us -15. In number 6, we are distributing 3/5 to both terms, so we would use parenthesis 3 divided by 5 times -2. Math, enter, enter, which will get us -6/5 x. And then we have 3 divided by 5 parentheses times 1 divided by 2 in parentheses. Math, enter, enter. That gets us plus 3/5, or 3/10, sorry, plus 3/10. When we are combining like terms, remember that we want to combine things that are the same variable to the same exponent. So in number 7, we have two terms that have an x squared in them. So we have 2x squared minus x squared, which is x squared. And we have -10x plus 3x, which is -7x. In number 8, we can combine the x's. 19x minus 19x is going to be 0x. So we're just going to not write anything. And then we have -8 minus 2, which is -10. In number 9, we have two x terms. We have 14x plus 7x, which is 21x. And then we have -9x, or sorry, -9y plus 5y, which is -4y. Now we're going to combine those skills together to simplify completely. So first I want to distribute the -4. -4 times 2x is -8x. -4 times -10 is plus 40. And then the plus 12x stays the same. When we combine our x terms, -8x plus 12x is 4x. And then the 40 is going to stay by itself, so plus 40. In number 11, we are distributing a 2 to the 9 and the -4h. We get 18 minus 8h, and then plus 12h plus 4. Our h terms can combine together, so -8h plus 12h is 4h. And then 18 plus 4 is plus 22. In number 12, we are distributing a -2x. So when we distribute a -2x, x times x becomes x squared. So this is a special one. So we have 8 minus 2x squared minus 6x minus 9x. So if I look at things I'm combining, there's only an x squared term, so -2x squared minus 6x minus 9x gets us -15x. And the 8 is by itself, so we just have plus 8. In number 13, the thing touching the parenthesis here is a -1. So we're distributing a -1 to change those signs. So we have 4x minus x plus 10. Our x's can combine together. So 4x minus x is 3x. And 10 doesn't have anything else to combine with, so it stays as plus 10. In number 14, what is touching the parenthesis is our 3. So we're going to distribute the 3. So we have 2x plus 27x minus 36. We have two x terms that can combine. 2x plus 27x is 29x. And then negative 36 stays by itself, so minus 36. In 15, we have this negative sign that we can distribute. So we have 3 minus 2x minus 16 minus 9x plus 10. We have two x terms that can combine together. Negative 2x minus 9x is negative 11x. And then we can combine 3 minus 16 plus 10. So 3 minus 16 is negative 13, plus 10 is negative 3. In our next problem, we are distributing a negative 2. Because the 2 has the negative sign, we're going to keep that with it to distribute. So 5 minus 2x minus 6 plus 12x minus 8. So we can combine our x terms. Negative 2x plus 12x is 10x. And we can combine 5 minus 6 minus 8. So 5 minus 6 is negative 1, minus 8 is negative 9. So we would have minus 9. In 17, when we distribute, in the first parenthesis, we're distributing a 2. So we have 16x minus 24. In the second parenthesis, we are distributing a fraction of 2/3. So we might need to use our calculator. Parenthesis 2 divided by 3 times 6 is going to be plus 4x. 2 divided by 3 in parentheses times negative 30 is going to be minus 20. Now we have two x terms that can combine together. 16 plus 4 is 20x. And we have two numbers that can combine. Negative 24 minus 20 is going to be minus 44.